received a brand new art kit, and today we're going to be showing and telling about our brand new art kit. So this is our brand new art kit. It looks so cool. Yeah, it does. So it has markers, paints, paintbrushes, and all that fun artsy stuff. So I can't wait to get started, so why don't we just do it? This looks so cool. I know. There's even colorful pencils. Okay. I wonder how we're gonna open this. Oh, I think it's got everything from here. I think there's some paint here. Yeah. There is this is so smooth. Yeah. Alright, so now let's pull it out. Yeah, it's gonna be. Oh my gosh. So this is our brand new art kit out of the box, and now we're just gonna undo the latches. Oh my gosh! So over here we have our brand new pencils that are looking super pretty. They're like lots of colors, right? I think we're supposed to pull this out or something. Yeah. Because I see lots of stuff. But first, let's check these out as well. So we have markers as well here. They're in all types of colors. And we have a, looks like this is a black flare marker. Ooh. And it's permanent. Like a Sharpie. Are these like all Sharpies or something? I think they're markers, like for coloring, and Sharpies are just for like outlining and stuff. Oh, is that like the eraser pen or something? Yes, this might be a whiteout pen. I've always wanted one of these because I make lots of mistakes with the Sharpie. Yeah. Let's open up the other side. Oh my gosh, can you help her? It's so big. This is really new, so we don't know how to open it that much. Yes, this is also one of them. Oh yeah. Oh god. Oh, I get it. I think these are. Supposed to put both of them at once. Okay. Both of them. Big. Oh my gosh! There's even art books. So this is really cool because they actually like open up and they go to the left and right side, which is really, really cool. Right, Zahana? Yes. You're correct. So I had no idea they had like coloring pages. Like, yeah. Look at this. They have printed coloring pages that you could color with. This is just so pretty. And it also showed like in the box there's a lot of coloring things, but we had no idea it actually comes with that. Yeah. So what's this? I don't know. Let's check inside. Maybe it's a book. Wait, it says painting learning guide. So maybe it needs like acrylic paints that we can use. Yeah, and maybe it teaches you how to paint. With the acrylic paint? Yeah, and to blend. Ooh, my gosh, so pretty. We're definitely checking this out. Oh yeah. These are like so sharp. And they're all ready, and there's books and paints and markers and all that cool stuff. It makes me want to color. Because art is my favorite thing to do at home. So let's open it. Yeah, art is my favorite thing to do at home as well because it's just so much fun. And we have a drawing and sketching guide. So awesome. So if you're more of the advanced level, you could look at these. And also, I think these are on this side and might be some pictures and it might be the explaining how to do of the book. Actually, this is the calligraphy and hand lettering. Calligraphy is just different types of handwriting. Oh. I love calligraphy. It looks just so pretty. I think this is a painting. See? So pretty. Oh, wow. Oh my god, there's even oil pastels! Now that's amazing. So it looks like, this is a canvas. It has a sun. Yeah, it looks like a desert, doesn't it? Yeah. With all the cactuses, they're super bright pink. Oh my gosh, do you want to tell what this is? What is that? It's a flower! It's nice. So pretty. I think this is a rose. Yeah. It goes this way. Or maybe there's other pages. Yeah, there are other pages. Oh yeah. So we're gonna check this out as well. Ooh, what are these? Are these rainbow colored pens also? These are also markers. Wow, they have a lot of markers in this set. What's this? We have, I think these are just black and red markers. Pencils. And we have oil pastels. Let's put these guides and other coloring papers on the side, and let's look at this, the color pencils and the actual art stuff. So these markers look really cool. I'm gonna see how they look. Oh, really super duper cool. I know, but it kind of looks like blue to me. Yeah, I don't think there's any blue, but maybe this one's blue or not purple. So these pens look really cool. I really want to use these. Yeah. We have some acrylic paints, or I think these are oil paints. These are so awesome. And we have some brushes that have a really fine tip. See? I'm gonna check these out. I just want to know what these are. Oh, I think these are cats. I don't think they are. This is just, oh, looks like this is a drawing pencil. Drawing? Yeah, I think these are drawing pencils, for the sketching. I think these are for lightning and stuff. I think this is a brown. Yeah, maybe this is a brown, because sometimes in sketches I see that they use a kind of brownish, like that to make it realistic. Yeah. Let's put that back. So here's the oil pastels. You want to show one? Yeah, I'm gonna take one out very carefully. So here's an oil pastel. Yeah. It also came with a sharpener and a huge eraser. Oh my god! Which would really come in handy. And yeah, this is all of our art set. You just take both of these tips and then you just slide them back. Exactly, which is super neat. Yeah. This art set is really cool. So how about we start drawing now? I'm really excited. Yeah, I really want to use them. So today we're going to be using all the markers, the pencils, but we're not going to be using the acrylic paints, because today we're just going to be drawing and coloring. We might use the pens. Yeah, we're going to be using the pens and oil pastels as well. Maybe, I just don't want to use them. Maybe you want to. Yeah. And you know what? I think these pens are mostly for calligraphy and handwriting. Oh. They look very tippy. Yeah, and they even say right here the calligraphy. Oh. So, yeah, because for calligraphy you need that fine tip to make it nice and pretty like this. Okay, let's start drawing. So I'll be coloring a rose. And I'll be coloring a unicorn. So my rose is going to be special because usually roses are the colors yellow, red, and orange. But I'm going to be making one rainbow with all kinds of colors. So that's the magical and special thing about my rose. Yeah. And yours is already really magical because it's make-believe and it's a unicorn. So yeah. in the main is going to mostly be like when color. So let's color. Not even tired. So this wraps up our video, and using this art kit was a lot of fun. Thank you all so much for watching. And my unicorn is really pretty, and this was really, really, really fun. It sure was. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time on World